Hey guys, welcome to Namatil. Today we'll be looking into the preparation of Obbattu, which is also called as Bele Holige. First we have to prepare dough, which is also called as kanaka. Into a bowl add 3/4 cup of maida and 1/4 cup of chiroti rava, pinch of salt and pinch of turmeric powder. Mix it well. We need a sticky dough, so add water little by little. I have added almost half a cup of water. Mix till the dough is sticky and is stretchable. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it well. Finally add another 1 tablespoon of oil and let it soak for at least 2 hours. Now we have to prepare stuffing, which is called as purana. For that we have to cook chana dal. I have soaked 1 cup of chana dal in water for an hour. Now to cook the lentil, heat a pan and add soaked chana dal. Add 3 cups of water, pinch of turmeric and half a teaspoon of oil. Mix it well and cook in high flame till it comes to a good boil. When it starts boiling, lower the flame and cook until chana dal has turned soft but still holds the shape. If you are cooking in pressure cooker, then cook it for 2 whistles in medium flame. Once the dal is cooked well, drain the water. Transfer the cooked dal into a pan. Add jaggery and cook in medium flame until dal and jaggery combines well and the mixture turns slightly thick. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes. Now cool it and grind it along with 4 cardamoms into a fine paste. The ground dal mixture should be soft. It should hold its shape when try to make small ball. If the mixture is too dry, you can add little water that was used to cook dal. And if in case the mixture turns watery, then you can transfer it to a pan and cook it again until it hardens. Make small balls from this dal mixture and keep it aside. Now pinch a small amount of dough. It should be smaller than the size of this stuffing ball. Grease your hands and gently stretch the edges. Now place the stuffing and cover it completely with the dough as shown here. Now dip it in maida flour. Gently flatten it by hand and then roll it thin. Now transfer the rolled obbattu onto hot tawa and cook it in medium flame for about a minute. Once the lower side is cooked well, flip it and cook it for another minute. Delicious Bele Obbattu is ready. Hope you all like the recipe. Thank you for watching.